Hey guys, welcome. I just wanted to do an update on the house that I did a video on before because now the windows are in. I'm not sure if the windows were in before, but they are in now, and I have something special to tell you about that. Look at the stairs, nice. Look at this door. This is a 3-inch door. I'm going to show you something more special about it as well. But these windows right here, they're pricey. But you know what? They are amazing. And this whole place is very good, high qualityly made. High qualityly made? I don't think that's a word, but we'll use it. Now, the one thing about these windows that makes it so special is they are factory tinted. Not only that, in the daytime, they help you save on your electrical bill when it comes to air conditioning because it helps to keep the heat out, and also at nighttime. So let's go to this door because I really love it. Look at this lock. Deadbolt lock. I don't know if it's showing well enough. Let me see if I can just put the flash on. But it's a deadbolt lock. And there we go. Let me see if I can get a better angle. Look, no one is getting in that door. I love the handle. Not only that, watch how it closes so softly. It's not going to slam. There we go. I love it. Now, up here is going to be some lights, so that's going to be very beautiful. The last time when I was here, I was not able to go upstairs because the stairs weren't built in. So let's go up and look upstairs now and give you a view of what's going on. What's going on? All right. Beautiful. So I'm thinking this is going to be the master bedroom right here. Yeah. You're going to be overlooking the pool. Hey, David, how are you? Good. And everything's getting put in here. Here we go. Look at this. Beautiful Caribbean view. Hola. He's working away here. There's the pool. So a very good view. And oh, look at that. It looks like a mango tree over there. It's a mango tree. Nice. This is going to be the master bedroom right here.
This is like the living room, family room.
Oh. So there's like kind of like 2 living rooms then. One downstairs and one upstairs. Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It smells like oak. Cedar or something, yeah? I love it. Oh, that's to stop bugs from eating the clothing and stuff like that, right? Yes, awesome. I don't know why my camera looks so dark. Let me see here. Okay, guys, so I cut out for a second because I wanted to make sure I was getting everything filmed properly. But these cupboards will help no moths come in and also keep all your clothing nice and clean. I can't even tell you how good it smells. I'm thinking this is a bathroom. It is. Ooh, his and hers. Oh, I love the tiles. And look at the beautiful showers. You get a nice view. This is your view. I love it. Oh my gosh. Nice toilet. Isn't it great to see things get built in phases? It shows you guys how things get done. I love it. So this is going to be the master bedroom view. You're going to have the pool area down there, the pool house. We're going to go downstairs and look at a few things as well. Hey, Keith. Hey, Chris. So now we're going to go downstairs in a minute, but I just want to show you guys the other bedrooms. Okay, so here's another bathroom. It's still getting built. Here we go. And different tiles on the walls. I love how there's different tiles. Wait till you get downstairs and see the other bathrooms. There's 2 of them. There's actually an out bathroom as well. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, so pretty. Here we go. Look at all that storage space for those of you who love to store things because you're living here and you want to make sure that you have everything you need. And so this has a balcony as well, this bedroom. And it looks like it's a pretty large balcony. There we go. Ooh, look at this. The walls. How pretty are those? I love the rock walls like that. And they're real. I love them. All right, let's go into the other bedroom. Very nice. So this one doesn't have a balcony, but it has an amazing view. Look at that. Now in this particular area, and it has also a really nice breeze. So although you're going to have those windows keeping out the heat, if you want to have your air conditioner on, at least during the day, if you don't want to have the air conditioner on, you're cool because look at that. Oh, I love the tropical view. You're good because you don't have to worry about much. Let me open up this door. All right. Now, there we go. Look at, this breeze feels so good, but I don't want the door to slam. So I'm just, whoops, wasn't able to stop it. So let's go downstairs. I want to bring you guys to now so this is downstairs in the living room. So there's the two family rooms. As soon as you come in that door that I just showed you, look at the ceilings. The ceilings are beautiful. Pot lights are going to be up and around there, right? Some lights are going to be up there. Yeah. That's going to look really gorgeous. Yeah. I saw that concept. I know someone that does them, and he showed me his work. Beautiful. The Dominican Republic houses are really gorgeous. I love them.
And we're going to do some light bulbs.
The light bulbs all around the insides, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, you see the ridge, the inside ridges right there? That's where the lighting is going to be. Amazing. Now I just want to take you into the kitchen because for those of you who like to cook and entertain and also like to store a lot of nice pots and pans, this is the kitchen to do it in. Look at all this storage. Right here, over here. You're gonna get your double sink. Also, your 5-burner stove right there. More storage right there. This area is for your fridge. And then this is a nice butcher's block right here that can be moved and put in a place where you would like it. Now, I want to show you another bathroom, the guest bathroom. Take a look at these ceramics. I love these. I'm going to show you the outside bathroom as well because this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, right? There we go. So here we are now. There would be the living room. This right here is like dining area, of course, right? This is large, very spacious. I love it. Okay, guys, let's go out. I just want to kind of show you what it will look like when you're sitting at your kitchen table. Okay, so here's your kitchen right here. There's your living room all the way over there. Imagine how it's going to look in the evening time with the beautiful lighting. All right, now let's go out to the pool. And let's look at your laundry room. Here's your laundry room. Now, your laundry room does go into the kitchen. I'll go in there in a second. But here is another bathroom, outside bathroom. And again, look at these tiles. I love how there's different tiles in each bathroom. It's just so, it's like a beautiful feel, you know, having so much unique tiles, and they're all high quality. And then there's the master bedroom up there that we were just up. Now, we're going to go through the laundry room here, right here, and we're going to go into the kitchen. See how laid out, beautifully laid out it is? Look at that. Leave that door open, do a little bit of laundry, take a dive in the pool, come back in and cook. Amazing. This is wonderful. So give me a shout. Look at the stairs as well. Very well laid out. I love it. I love the trimming as well. So, guys, please give me a shout at 829-702-7726. All my information is down below. My email is on the screen. And this is going to be a great purchase for those of you who don't want to buy land and build, and you want something that's already built, high quality, spacious, in a very good area. By the way, this is located in Cabarete area. And it is also very close to Sosua. So this is a beach town. You walk straight down the street right there, you are going to find the beach. And you are like about a 3-minute drive from the main beach of Playa Cabarete. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna head out to Playa Cabarete, speaking of which, and then I'm gonna head over to Goddess, and I'm going to film a group, a Dominican singing group. I'm excited to share that with you guys as well. Today's a busy day, but this is a great area to get things done. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. Huge hugs, loads of love, big blesses. Treat yourself good today. And while you're at it, treat yourself to a great property built with passion, professionalism, and also high quality products. Take care, everyone.